She's so funny. She likes the pear, but she doesn't like the outer layer. So she tries to eat only the center. Is that a really yummy pear? Is that the yummiest pear ever? Is it good? Oh, so good and sweet. Here comes Sven. Here comes Sven. He wants pear as well, maybe. Sven, do you want this? Do you want some pear, honey? Don't spit it out. Here. It's a good pear. It's sweet and juicy. Oh, my good goose. My good goose eating pear. Here you go, baby. Do you not want it? Huh? Do you not want it? Here it is. No? Well, she's happily munching away. Good girl. Good girl. Look at her. I love the eyelids. It looks like she's wearing a little bit of makeup. Oh, did you get pear face? Did you get pear face? Huh? Still got some old shit here we need to get rid of, honey. Look at how good she's become at letting me work on her tail.